Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Intellij on your Windows 10 operating system. So in this video, I will show you how to install the Intellij. So firstly, here is my Chrome. So you might want to open your Google Chrome. Then we will write something called download Intellij. So their main website is jetbrains.com. So click this one, the first link, and it will take you to this page for downloading the Intellij. Here you can choose you can choose Windows, Mac or Linux. So for mine it's Windows. And you can also choose the version whether you want a zip file or directly. So for mine I'll just say download, and it will download automatically. So here you can see the Intellij is downloading, but in my case I have already downloaded and here it is. So what you might want to do next is just double click this. So after clicking, you might just want to say yes, click yes, then it will show this Intellij. So we want to set up this Intellij. So what we want to do is click next, then we want to choose the destination folder. Now here you might want to change the destination folder. So for mine I'll make it local disk C, and then click next. So here it will show a dialog box. Now I want to create desktop shortcut. So for my Windows is 64-bit and maybe yours is 32-bit. So for me I will choose 64-bit. Next I want to create associations. So I will choose Java, because mainly Intellij is used for Java, and also I want to add launchers dir to the path. So after those we want to click next, then we'll just say install, and it will install all of this, and we'll just have to wait until the installation is done. So as you can see, it's taking long. You just need to be patient. Now as you can see, the installation is done. So now we have completed installing the Intellij. Next what we are going to do is we can either reboot now or reboot later. So for my case I will just say I want to manually reboot later, but you can actually reboot now if you want. So for mine I'll just say later. I'll click finish. After clicking finish, it will automatically start the Intellij. So as you can see, we have our Intellij installed into our machine, and this is the latest version. So let's double click this, and it will open the Intellij. So if you want to create a new project, you just click new project, and you can see we have Java, Maven, we have Java FX, we have Android, we have Groovy, we have Kotlin, but for the main purpose for Intellij is for Java. Now let's choose Java, and we'll create our first Java file and click next. We don't create project from template, so we'll just click next. Then here we can just create a project name, and let's say we want to create something like main. I'll say finish, just rewrite, let's overwrite. So next you can see you will have this text editor, or we can say IDE. Now this is where you create your Java files. So let's say we'll create our first Java file, which is Java class, and we'll call it main. And for this one you can see we have the public class main. Now next what we are going to do is create the PS which is the main method. Next we want to print something. We want to test this, if the IntelliJ is working. So for that we'll want to print something like let's say hello world. So I will say hello world, because this is the traditional way of programmers. Hello world. Now if you want to run this Java, we are going to run and say, you can actually run here and you can just run main.java. It will run. So now we are testing our IntelliJ. I hope you have understood the way we install the IntelliJ. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and that's how you install IntelliJ to your Windows 10 machine. So for the coming days I'll be showing you tutorials, and I'll also be downloading PHP projects. If you're interested, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the like button for more videos, and also click the bell notification. So see you next time.